Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're going to be doing another video on OverStream Studio. Again, it's going to be quite a quick one, so let's just get straight into it. Is that the one? Yeah, it is. There we go. So we're going to go through the starting list one this time. So we've filled out our participants like we've done in the previous one. So you obviously can add more in as you want. So you've got your test group. You can add another group as well if you want. Crack on. So the next bit we will do is obviously we can edit it, so we can add an image in. Let's just chuck an image in there quickly. StreamerBot. Make sure you go and check StreamerBot out as well. We've done a few videos on it in the past. We'll link them in the description or in the. So apply all that styles, so you can change all the colours again. So it has all the ones you can. There, I'll press the wrong one. Change the font. There's only a few fonts in this one, and the rounded corner, excuse me, radius, and just apply. So we're just going to cross that off for the moment. We're going to copy the URL. We're going to go into OBS. I have got one ready, but we're going to just remove that one, like I should have done in the first place. It would have right button. Add a browser source. I'm just going to call this list. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to highlight the OBS project URL there, paste over it with the one we've got. A lot of this is pretty self-explanatory, and I've done that wrong. How many times am I putting the wrong? Look. 1920 by 1080. Jesus. There we go. Press OK, and then again you get a blank one pop up. We're going to get to your console, minimize this one now, press apply, and there you go. Again, if you've got more, and so you've got team lists. So, example, you're doing a certain team, then you can have all that there and ready to go. And then if you want to swap to another group, you can have up to max rows of max rows. I'm not sure how many it goes up to, but there you go, way beyond what we probably actually need. But or events, you can have events pop up. So if you've got different sporting events and you've got first, second, third, so on and so forth, it's quite a good way of doing it, as you can see there. So, excuse me. Again, another quick short video on it. We will be a playlist on. We'll put a card about here or there. You'll find out. It'll be there, but make sure you click on it. Check out all the videos in this playlist. About OverStream, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.